So, your battery post is pulled right out of the casing, and you're wondering if you can fix it. The answer is no, and trying is dangerous. That post isn't just a plug. It's the end of a critical internal connection that's now permanently broken. Inside the battery, a thick lead strap, called a bus bar, connects that post to the power-generating cell plates. By pulling the post out, you've physically snapped that bus bar. Think of it as a bridge washing out on a major highway. Your starter motor needs a huge amount of power to crank a cold engine, often pulling over 200 amps. A simple solder job can't handle that load. The solder would flash into liquid metal instantly. Even if you hammer the post back in, you're left with a tiny, invisible gap. That gap creates massive electrical resistance, which generates enough heat to melt the lead post or create an internal spark. And a spark is the last thing you want inside a battery. During normal charging, a lead-acid battery produces flammable hydrogen gas. A single spark can ignite this trapped gas, causing the entire battery case to explode, spraying you and your engine bay with sulfuric acid. Beyond the electrical failure, you've also destroyed the physical seal. That post was molded into the plastic top case to create a permanent, gas-tight, and acid-proof barrier. With that seal broken, it's guaranteed to leak. It won't just be liquid acid, but also corrosive vapor that will silently eat away at your battery tray, wiring, and the steel parts of your vehicle. The only safe path forward is replacement. First, carefully remove the old battery and use a baking soda and water solution to neutralize any spilled acid on the tray and surrounding parts. Second, you must replace the cable clamp that caused the problem. It likely seized to the post from corrosion or was over-tightened. A new clamp ensures a clean, solid connection to your new battery. Ignoring this guarantees you'll be stranded. But the real cost is the slow damage from acid corrosion, which can lead to expensive wiring and structural repairs down the road. Before you buy anything, check that cable clamp for damage. It's the root of the problem.